Hi guys, welcome back with another video. I hope you all guys are staying in home. Stay safe in home. Okay, I was too bored staying in home. Being a biker, it's really hard to staying in home. First of all, uh, that's why I checked out with my old stuff. I got my old racing boots. Uh, those are in really in worst condition. Today I decided to restore those boots. Now let me show you how the boots are. These are my old racing boots. Huh. Can you see the condition of these boots? um, really gone. The leather is also not fine. Let me see how can I restore these boots. Restore some parts. See, can you see my sole is totally gone. Have to replace the sole. I can show you some tips to restore your boots, okay, in this video. Inside padding was okay. There are some holes here. Let me check whether I can stitch this out or not. So this is somewhat good. Doesn't have any holes inside. Yeah, it has. There's a hole inside. Have to stitch this too. There's nothing here. Again, there is a hole to the sole. I think there is a gap over here. This is not fine at all. Have to replace it. Rubber piece was placed over here. It was gone to this. Let me show. Here we go. Let me place this here. Take some detergent. Take some water. And some old brushes to remove all the dust from your boots. After all those things, just clean your boots with a dry cloth. uh, use a very quick to close this gap. Put some drops over here and glue it back. It will be fine. I stick back my sole, which there is some gaps over here, right? I fix it back, then have to give some a shiny finish to my boots. It's a final touch. Okay. I'm done. Stay home, stay safe. See you guys in another video. Bye.